Hi everyone and welcome. My name is Shaham. Let's have a look at another question and we're going to use Pythagoras theorem to solve it. So what we have here is a rhombus has diagonals of length 8 and 10 centimeters and we have to find its perimeter. So I already have here picture of rhombus. So, and now information that have been given is diagonals. So diagonal is line going from one end of the corner to the other. So that is one diagonal. And then we're gonna have another one here. So what we know that diagonals bisect each other at right angles, each other. So which means we have here 4 right angles, okay? So what does bisect means as well? So if we have a line from A to, let's say, B, and if we say that point C bisect line A and B, then we are saying that AC is equal to CB lengthwise. Okay, so that's what we know. And we do know that diagonals are 8 and 10 centimeters long. So the blue one looks a little bit longer. Let's say that one is 10, like that. Okay, so that one is 10. And this one here, we're going to say it's equal to 8 because that's the given. And because diagonals are bisected, so we do know now that this part here, from this corner to here, it is equal to 4. I'm going to put 4 here, and I'm going to put 4 there. So, and I picked 4 here instead of 5 because this diagonal looks shorter than the other one. So, and then the blue one, so the first half is 5 and the second half is 5 as well. Now, if you just focus on one part of the rhombus, which is this one here, so I'm going to take this picture out. So I'm going to draw a picture. It's going to look like this. Let's move here. So that's this one. So we have right angle here, and this is 5 and this is 4. Maybe I'm going to use the same colors just to know what I'm talking about. Not that you don't know, but and this one here. Okay, so now we do have right angle triangle. So, and in order to find the perimeter, I should have said that before, in order to find the perimeter, we need the length of all these sides. Okay, so all these sides. So we do know that all sides are equal anyway, but we don't know that. So we're going to label X. Let's usually use X, Y, Z, but you can use any letter you want. So, and those letters are called variables, by the way. So let's have a look at this one here. X. So according to Pythagoras theorem, so X is across right angle and it's the longest side of the triangle and it's called hypotenuse, by the way. So like I'm just gonna go here, hypotenuse, okay, and it's the longest side. So how are we gonna calculate? So x to the power of 2 is equal to 5 to the power of 2 plus 4 to the power of 2. X to the power of 2 is equal to 25 plus 16, and then x to the power of 2 is equal to 41. And as now we have x to the power of 2, we want x by itself, and I'm gonna find the square root of both sides, and I'm gonna say here x is bigger than 0 as we are talking about the length, so we're not gonna have negative one. So therefore x is equal only positive square root of 41. So now what do we need to find? Perimeter. Yeah, it's just here. So that is the question, perimeter. So how are we going to find perimeter? Perimeter is adding all sides. So therefore, yellow, how it does look like. No, I'm going to go back to black. So therefore, perimeter is 4 times 4 sides of, so 4, okay, I'm going to go to 4 sides of square root of 42. And we know of in maths is multiplication. So 4 times square root of 42. Now, if you're in building industry or architecture or something like that, so usually you don't say like perimeter is 4 times square root of 42. Where did I get 42 from? Okay, let's have a look. So I have to erase. 25 plus 16 is 41, and yeah, let's have a look at this one here. This one looks like 2. So I'm gonna make adjustments there. Just 1. So, and now this one here is actually 1. Let's erase that one here. Okay. Okay, and that one there. So yeah, it's important to say, make sure when you write numbers or letters that they look like it. So 41. Anyway, going back here, so usually we don't say 4 times square root of 41 is the perimeter. So we're looking at centimeters or meters, but like some nice numbers. So, and this one we're gonna write as in decimal form, because when you calculate that using your calculator, so it's going to give us 25.6 centimeters approximately. Approximately, you can use wavy lines, or I think it's this one, for approximation. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!